Welcome back to IT Gateway, your one-stop channel for all things tech and IT career advice. Today we are diving into a question that's on every fresh graduate's mind. What's next after completing IT degree? We will explore 5 exciting career pathways and guide you on how to start your journey in each. So there are plenty of areas where you can grow in IT, but it's essential to align your career choice with your area of interest. So when you choose a field you are passionate about, success and financial growth will follow naturally. So always think about your interest first and then consider money. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the top 5 career areas you can choose before it's too late. So as I see in a desktop, so there is a first thing is desktop support, and the second is programming, data analysis, business analysis, cybersecurity, and networking. So these top 5 professions are very important. So like definitely most of the people they choose either of them, but there are lots of things, few other areas as well. Like if you are really interested, definitely there's open door for everyone. So let's start with the first one. So desktop support pathway. So first off, IT desktop support. This is the foundation for many IT professionals. So here is how you can get started. So all these 5 professions I have categorized in 4 different areas. So first is focus area, so which area you need to focus, and the second thing is preparation, and third is certification, and fourth is how you start. So let's start with the focus area. So learn hardware troubleshooting, operating system installation, and ticketing system. So if you want to start your career in this IT desktop support, so these are the basics. Active Directory and ITIL basics are very important here. And how you prepare. So for the preparation, start gain hands-on experience with Windows and Mac systems, and enhance your communication and customer service skills. So definitely communication and customer service skills are very important, especially for IT desktop support. And the next is certification. So for this role, so consider certification like CompTIA Plus, ITIL Foundation, or Microsoft 365 certified. So I highly recommend to get like Microsoft 365 certification, because every company nowadays they are using 365 like for everything, for like cloud, for all these office packages, email and all. So Microsoft 365 is very important at the moment. So I have already made a video on 365, like few certification, how you start with the certification. So if you haven't watched this video, I highly recommend to watch this video, so you will get the basic idea how you start your career, like certification career. And the fourth one is how you start your career, how you start to get this job. So start small always. Apply for help desks or IT support roles and highlight your problem solving skills in interview. So definitely desktop support is an excellent way to build your technical and interpersonal skills. So moving forward, let's go to programming. So if you love creating solutions through code, this is for you. So same, I'll start with the focus area. So here learn languages like Python, Java, or C++. These are the programming language still longs in this field. So there are also lots of other areas, other programming language, but once you understand about all these things, Python, Java, or C++, so pretty much all the languages are similar, but there are a few certain changes in the algorithms, and also you'll understand these things. And also try to understand data structures, algorithms, and version control tools like Git. And for the preparation side, build small projects, like contribute to open source and familiarize yourself with frameworks like Django or React. And for the certification side, certification like AWS certified developer or Oracle Java certification can boost your profile. So in programming, definitely certification plays a very good big role, but the thing is you need to make your project, you need to do something, and you need to show your portfolio. So that will really boost up or maybe give a startup career in programming. And how you start, like to start your career, start building. Showcase your skills on GitHub and apply for junior developer roles or internship. And as I mentioned, programming is all about continuous learning and building a strong portfolio. And let's jump to the third one. So the third pathway is data analysis. Companies rely on data analysts to make informed decisions. So let's get started with focus areas. So the main thing is, so master tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau, Learn Python or R for advanced data analysis. So what I recommend is start with Excel, SQL. So try to play with data, and that will really give you a startup. And for the preparation, work on data sets to create reports, visualizations, and develop a good understanding of statistics and business metrics. So different company has different way of handling business. So main thing is you need to know like how you enter, how you play with data, how you create the like graphs, charts, and also that will give you a proper understanding. So nowadays Power BI is very useful tools. So the Excel is basic, so everywhere you go Microsoft Excel, you need to know the basic things. You need to create the graphs, you need to make a video comparison. So if you I think I also made a video on how you create basics Excel, how you create data and all. So if you haven't watched this video, definitely I recommend you go back to my channel and watch this video as well. So let's go to the certification. So for the certification part, Google Data Analytics or Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate are great option for you if you want to really start your career in data analyst. And also get some practical, like take internship or projects where you can analyze real world data. So as a data analyst, your ability to interpret data is your superpower. Let's go to the another one, business analyst pathway. So moving on, we have business analysis. So if you are enjoy problem solving and working with team, this role is for you. So the focus area will be learn requirements, gathering, process modeling, and tools like Jira and Visio. For the preparation, study business frameworks and methodologies, build strong analytical and communication skills. And for the certification side, consider CBAP, Certified Business Analysis Professionals, or PMI PBA. So these two certifications are very important when you're starting your career in business analyst. And for the start, yeah, definitely you need a good network. So volunteer for BA task or apply for internship in this field. A business analyst bridges the gap between IT and business need. So definitely it is very important role for every company, every business. And moving forward, let's go to the fourth one, cybersecurity pathway. All right, so let's explore cybersecurity with rising cyber threats. This field is growing rapidly. So maybe you have heard like lots of cybersecurity attacks and all kind of things. So especially in Australia, in like European countries and America, cybersecurity is a very important. And also there are lots of opportunity in this field. Let's focus on focus areas. So study network security, ethical hacking, and tools like Wireshark and Nashwas. And also there are few like few other software as well, so you can get the basic understanding about all these things. So Wireshark is very important nowadays because it will monitor your traffic, lots of things you can learn here. And how you prepare, so for the preparation part, practice in cybersecurity labs and stay updated on the latest threats. So main thing is you need to get updated. There are lots of research going on every day. We are facing the new threats, like either it's DOS, either lots of things. So you need to be updated in this field. So certification, so start up with CompTIA Security Plus, then aim to have CISSP or CES. And how you start? So for the start, defending. So look for the junior security analyst roles and demonstrate your knowledge in interviews. So cybersecurity is perfect for those passionate about protecting digital assets. So now let's go to the networking path. So the finally networking. If you are fascinated by how system connects, this path is for you. So the focus areas, so learn network basic like TCP/IP routing and switching, understand cloud networking concepts, and for the preparation side, set up labs and practice configuring routers and switches. So if you want to try, so you can try in Cisco packet tracer. So you can make like you can create virtual switches, virtual computer, and you can do the coding, routing. You can do lots of things there. So yeah, better you try with this one. That will be really helpful for you. So if you really want to know more on this thing, so definitely let me know. I can make up like proper video like how you can start using Cisco packet tracers and all. So just let me know. So before that, let's go to the certification. For the certification side, there are lots of areas in the certification in networking. Cisco CCNA, you can also do CCST. There is new certification from CCNA. It's from Cisco is CCST, and also CompTIA Network Plus or AWS Advanced Networking is also like very useful who really wants to start their career in networking. So for the starting, like start connecting as a network, apply for the roles like network technician and focus on gaining hands-on experience. So networking forms the backbone of IT infrastructure. So, and you have it. So 5 rewarding IT career pathways for you are just starting or considering a change. These steps will help you to kickstart your journey. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Let us know in the comments which pathway you are interested in, or if you like more detail on any of these roles. See you next time on IT Gateway.